This is the new Apple MacBook Pro with the M2 chip. With a 13-inch screen, it's the smallest, most powerful computer from Apple right now. You can choose this MacBook in various configurations. And in this series, I'm going to show you everything about this computer, from unboxing, specifications, connectivity, demos, and upgrading repair capabilities, to know everything about this computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. This is a super powerful computer from Apple, with the best configuration of this model. Great for work, production and processing. But let's see in detail the specifications of the model we chose. So, about the technology, it has an Apple M2, a maximum clock speed of 3.5 GHz, with an 8-core CPU, 4 performance cores, and 4 high-efficiency cores. The graphics processor has 10 cores, 24 GB, DDR5 RAM at 6400 MHz, 2 TB NVMe storage, a 13-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. It has a backlit QWERTY keyboard with function keys, fingerprint reader with Touch ID, touch bar for tactile interaction, a 720p FaceTime camera, a built-in microphone with directional beamforming technology, stereo speaker system with high dynamic range, a 67-watt power charger, a battery of 60 watts-hour with an autonomy of 20 hours watching movies and 17 hours using Wi-Fi, and comes with the operating system macOS Ventura. This computer has the connectivity Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports compatible with charging, DisplayPort, Thunderbolt 4 40 gigabits, USB 4 40 gigabits, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The physical characteristics of this computer: the screen is anti-glare with a diagonal of 13.3 inches. The computer measures 0.61 by 11.97 by 8.36 inches and weighs 3 pounds. The color can be space gray or silver, and the material of the structure is aluminum. Regarding the repairability, the SSD is on board, the Wi-Fi card is on board, the RAM memory is on board, and the processor socket is BGA. Almost everything is soldered on the motherboard, but you can see that in the video where I open the computer. Now the features it doesn't have, which can be an important factor when choosing a computer. So, it doesn't have a touchscreen, you can't replace the RAM memory, nor replace or expand the storage, no M.2 or SATA connection, no USB Type-A ports, no RJ45 port to connect a network cable, no DisplayPort or mini DisplayPort. This model also does not have an HDMI port, no physical privacy shutter for the camera, no DVD player, no hole for a Kensington lock. And it doesn't have a MagSafe port for charging. The 13-inch model has to charge via USB-C. But the connectivity it doesn't have, you can try to solve with adapters. Let's see in more detail the specifications of the processor. It has a Apple M2 chip with a maximum speed of 3.5 GHz. The CPU has 8 cores, 4 performance cores, and 4 power efficiency cores. The GPU has 10 cores, and the neural engine has 16 cores. Supports a maximum memory of 24 GB, compatible with LPDDR5 6400 memory in quad channel. Of cache memory has 16 MB L2 and 8 MB L3, with a 5nm lithography and a minimum TDP of 20 watts. And for now, that's all I have to say about this MacBook Pro specs and technology. But you can choose the best configuration for your work, and the price can vary from $2,000 to $8,000. This was another video about the 13-inch M2 MacBook Pro, but there will be more videos about this computer, from unboxing, specifications, connectivity and demos, to know everything about this computer, and you can decide if this is the best computer for you. But I have on the channel other MacBooks M1 and M2 with different specifications if you want to compare other models. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any questions, write in the comments.